Welcome back to Sofia Daily Language. Hi everyone, I'm Sofia. It's great to see you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alexander. We're here to help you practice your English. Today, we are going to talk about greeting and starting a conversation.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and give us a like. It really helps us out so that we can make more videos.
Yes, please. Let's go.
Hi there. How's your day going so far?
Hey, pretty good actually. Just finished a long meeting. What about you?
Not bad at all. I just grabbed some coffee and thought I'd take a short break.
Coffee break is always a good idea. What kind did you get?
Just a regular latte. Nothing fancy. Do you usually drink coffee at this hour?
Sometimes, if I have a lot of work, I'll grab one in the afternoon. Otherwise, I stick to mornings.
Makes sense. I'm trying not to drink too much, but I keep failing.
Same here. I tell myself I'll cut down, but then I see a cafe and I'm like, just one more.
Exactly. By the way, were you heading somewhere or are you on a break too?
I'm on a short break. Thought I'd step outside for some fresh air.
Fresh air definitely helps. Clears the mind a little.
True. So, did anything interesting happen today?
Not really. It was mostly work and emails. How about you?
Same story. A lot of messages, a couple of calls, and the usual routine.
Sounds like a classic weekday.
Absolutely. But chatting like this makes it a bit more enjoyable.
I agree. Starting small conversations is actually refreshing.
Speaking of that, do you usually start conversations with people easily?
It depends. If someone seems friendly, I don't mind starting a casual chat. What about you?
I try. Sometimes I overthink it, but usually a simple hi works.
True. People often just need a little push to start talking.
And once the conversation begins, it flows naturally, like what's happening right now.
Exactly. It's nice when conversations aren't forced.
By the way, when you meet someone for the first time, what do you usually say?
Usually something simple, like, nice to meet you. How's everything? You?
I usually say, great to meet you. What brings you here?
That's a good one. It keeps the conversation going.
Yeah, it gives the other person something to respond to.
Do you think starting conversations is harder these days?
Maybe. People are often busy or looking at their phones.
True. Sometimes you don't know if you're interrupting them.
But still, a warm greeting usually works.
Absolutely. Even a smile helps.
So let me ask you, what's your favorite way to start a friendly conversation?
I'd say asking about their day. It's simple and natural. What about you?
I usually comment on something around us, like the weather or the place.
Oh, that's nice. It gives common ground.
Exactly. Shared experiences make talking easier.
Speaking of weather, today is actually pretty nice.
Yeah, not too hot and not too cold. Perfect for a walk.
Totally. I wish every day had this kind of weather.
That would be great. Do you enjoy going for walks?
I do, especially when I need to clear my mind.
Same here. It helps me reset.
So, do you usually talk to people during your walks?
Only if someone starts the conversation. I don't want to startle anyone.
Understandable. Some people prefer quiet time.
But if someone says hi, I'm always happy to respond.
That's nice. It shows openness.
I think greeting someone is a polite gesture.
Definitely. Good manners never go out of style.
True. And speaking of greetings, how do you greet someone formally?
I usually say good morning or good afternoon with a friendly tone.
Same here. And maybe a handshake if it's appropriate.
Yeah, that depends on the situation.
And in casual settings, I just say, hey, how's it going?
That works everywhere.
So, what's the most interesting conversation starter someone used on you?
Oh, wow. Let me think. Someone once asked me, if today had a color, what would it be?
That's actually quite creative.
I know. It really grabbed my attention.
What did you answer?
I said blue, calm but a little uncertain.
Nice. I'd probably say green for today.
Why green?
It feels refreshing, like starting something new.
That's a great description.
Thanks. So, do you like deep questions like that?
Sometimes they make conversations more meaningful.
I agree. It's better than small talk sometimes.
But small talk has its place too.
Definitely. It helps break the ice.
Exactly. Without small talk, you can't jump into deeper conversations.
Right. It's like the warm-up stage.
So, what do you think makes a conversation enjoyable?
When both people are genuinely interested.
Yes, and when no one is checking their phone.
Oh, that's the worst. It kills the vibe.
Absolutely. Good conversations need attention.
And a bit of humor helps too.
True. Even a simple joke can lighten the mood.
By the way, do you prefer long conversations or short ones?
Depends on the person. With interesting people, long ones.
Same here. Time flies in good conversations.
Like this one. Didn't expect it to go this long.
Me neither, but it's been really enjoyable.
Totally. It's nice talking to someone who keeps the conversation flowing.
The feeling is mutual.
So, before we wrap up, any tips for starting conversations confidently?
I'd say smile, be relaxed, and start simple.
Good advice.
What about you?
Just don't overthink it. People appreciate sincerity.
Absolutely.
Well, this was a great chat.
It really was. Thanks for the conversation.
Anytime.
Have a wonderful rest of your day.
You too.
By the way, before you go, do you usually remember people you have short conversations with?
Depends. If the conversation feels meaningful, then yes. Otherwise, maybe not.
I get that. Some conversations just fade quickly.
True. But I think I'll remember this one.
Oh, that's nice to hear. I feel the same.
Maybe it's because the flow was very natural.
Yeah, nothing felt forced or awkward.
Exactly. You know, sometimes conversations feel like interviews.
Right. Too many questions in a row can be uncomfortable.
But here it felt balanced.
I agree, and you shared some interesting thoughts.
Thanks. I liked your perspective too.
So, do you enjoy meeting new people in general?
I actually do. Every person has a different story. And you?
Same. I like discovering what makes people unique.
That's a beautiful way to put it.
Well, people are fascinating if you pay attention.
Absolutely. Even a short chat can leave an impression.
Exactly. Sometimes strangers brighten your day more than people you know.
That's so true. A simple greeting can change your mood.
Speaking of greetings, do you use the same style with everyone?
Not really. With close friends, I'm more casual. With colleagues, more formal.
Same here. Context matters a lot.
Definitely. And culture plays a role too.
Oh, yes. In some cultures, people greet with hugs, in others, with distance.
True. I always try to read the situation first.
That's smart. It avoids misunderstandings.
Exactly. Have you ever had an awkward greeting moment?
Yes, once someone tried to hug me while I went for a handshake.
Oh no, the classic mismatch.
It was so funny afterwards, but in the moment, embarrassing.
I've had similar moments. You just hope no one noticed.
Right, but usually people understand.
Yeah, everyone's been there at least once.
For sure.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and give us a like. It really helps us out so that we can make more videos. Thank you.